Look, class 6 exercise 1C. Listen, question number first. The number of persons who visited the holy thing माता वैष्णो देवी के दर्शन करने के लिए continues last 2 years. In first years, persons is equal to in second year, persons is equal to Listen, in 2 years, first years person कितने persons गए थे? 1 10 100,000 10 lakh 10 lakh करोड़ 1 crore 37 lakh 89,509 and in second year 1 crore 29 lakh 76,498. Okay, how many persons visit the cell in 2 years? Now you will find the total person. You will find the sum of both numbers. जोड़ देंगे दूसरा last 3 years sugar factories in the town produced ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. In first year, bags of sugar ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh 10 crore 2 crore 48 lakh 9,555. In second year, bags is equal to bags of sugar is equal to 100,000 quintal 100,000 quintal lakh quintal. $95 lakh 64,500. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh 10 lakh crore 1 crore 87 lakh 38,576. In third year, bags of sugar 95 lakh 64,568. simple. You will find the sum of these numbers. फर्स्ट ईयर में इतने चीनी बनाई है फैक्ट्री में, दूसरे ईयर में इतनी, तीसरे ईयर में इतनी. अब टोटल चीनी कितनी बनाई 3 ईयर्स में, तो हम प्लस कर देंगे. You will solve yourself, find the answer of this question, then match the answer from the answer sheet. If all answers are right, then you will solve this question in your calculator. Question number 3rd. First number equal to 1 10 100 1000 lakh 10 crore 3 crore 76 lakh 84,955. Listen, you will put the commas according to the periods. This is the crore period, this is lakh period, this is thousand period, this is month period. Commas are compulsory. Second number, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 36 lakh 15,000 and 45. Total, you will find the sum of these numbers. Question number 4. There are 3 candidates in election. Received itne votes, and the number is valid. First candidate received vote is equal to 1 tens 100,000 10,000 lakh 6 lakh 87,905. Second candidate received votes 1 tens 100,000 10,000 lakh 4 lakh 95,086. Third candidate received votes 93,756. Invalid votes 13,849. 13,849. The person did not बोर्ड कितने पर्सन है? 25,467, 25,467। नाउ लिसन, ए कैंडिडेट, फर्स्ट कैंडिडेट को इतने वोट्स मिले, सेकंड को इतने वोट्स मिले, थर्ड को इतने वोट्स मिले, और कुछ वोट बेकार हो गए थे, और इतने 25,667 थे जिन्होंने वोट नहीं दिए। तो टोटल हम क्या करेंगे पता लगाने के लिए प्लस कर देंगे। ओके, सॉल्व योरसेल्फ।